Okay, sorry, I had a phone call. Let's try this one more time. So this is just gonna be a continuation of the video I just sent you guys. Let me just do another example of that first type of question. Remember, I told you there's only 2 types I can ask you. So let's do another one. If I say, find the explicit formula and we'll say a sub 8. So obviously that means your 8th term. All right, here are your numbers. So we got 152, we got negative 76, 38, negative 19, dot, 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 dot. Now, eventually you're going to have to decipher if this is going to be geometric and arithmetic. I mean, I hope that you guys can see you're not decreasing or adding by the same constant. So that's how you would know that this is a geometric. You will have to know. So regardless of doing geometric, so here we go again. A sub n equals a1 r n minus 1. A sub n, we're writing our general formula. A1 is my first term, so here is your first term. Your common ratio. So what I would do, go to the side. So to find the r, again, you take a2 over a1. Negative 76 over 152. If you put that in your calculator, you will get r equals negative negative 0.5. So here we go. R negative 0.5 n minus 1. Here is your explicit rule. And now if I want you guys to find the 8th term, we just do this. And yes, you guys can use your calculator. Please, again, it's negative 0.5 raised to the 7th. And if doing so, you will get the 8th term to be the following. Okay, so hopefully that's easy, pretty basic finding your formula. That's going to be questions, I believe, 15 to 17 and 27 in your textbook. And then these other questions that I'm going to show you right now, we'll say is going to be question 29 to 31. And then that's it. You guys learned geometric. I told you it was pretty simple for today. The big lesson was, I would say, your Tuesday lesson. Okay, so the second type I can ask you. Let's go through that. So a little easier. I can say, again, geometric is definitely easier. I can't really do much with my geometric questions because it does get hard. Write a rule if the 4th term of the geometric sequence is 12 and the common, got a little too many m's in there, ratio is 2. So this is important. What this means is, just so you understand, another way to write that is the 4th term is 12. It makes sense because, think about that. 4th term is 12 equals 12, and we'll say r is 2. Well, we have the common ratio, the geometric sequence. Let's write this out. Noticing what we don't have, again, is this A1. So we have to work the way we did yesterday when we were doing the arithmetic, or 2 days ago when we were doing the arithmetic. So again, A sub n, what some of you might want to do. 4 is your n. 12, hopefully you guys realize, is your A sub n. It's very, very similar. So the term that we have, the last one in our sequence currently, is 12. I don't know the first. I do know the common ratio is 2. N, again, is the term of 12, which is 4. Careful, that's the mistake we make. So you guys got 12 equals A1. Here we go. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 cubed is 8. Solve for this, we divide both sides by 8, and you get A1 equals 1.5. Yay! Now that we have A1, we can now just go ahead and write our formula. First term, common ratio, n minus 1. That's it. Okay, so hopefully that was pretty simple. Geometric, again, please understand there's not many questions I can ask you for geometric. So your homework tonight is arithmetic and geometric, so I don't want you to forget it. Just be aware that our arithmetic, yep, I can ask you, I think there's anywhere from, how many questions did we talk about? I can do about 1 to 5 different types of examples of the questions. And that's why I wanted you guys to do your notes and label it. So this way, from here on out, I can say refer to this question if you ask me a question, as well as on any kind of worksheet I'm going to give you. Like tomorrow, I can say go to this question. It's similar. Your geometric, there's not too many. Your geometric, as you guys noticed, there were about, what? Well, technically 3. Even though I wrote 1 and 2, this really should have been 2 and 3, because the first question I asked you is, are they geometric? So the geometric is 3 questions. And then I asked you a basic sequence question, which is substituting in, and that was day 1. That was 1 question. So just as a quick recap, because again, your homework tonight has a mix. Just to show you, hopefully you all know this, your arithmetic sequence formula, again, a sub n equals a1, I almost forgot it, see, because we drew the other ones, my marker is dying, n minus 1. Okay, last term you want, first term, common difference. Geometric, a sub n equals a1, first term, common ratio, n minus 1. Similar, and again, to find the d, you take a2 minus a1. To find your r, you take a2 over a1. So there you have it, your basic arithmetic and geometric sequence. Hopefully you guys found this not terrible. Hopefully you find homework okay. Please continue to ask questions. Tomorrow I'm going to give you a worksheet that's a mix. So use these videos, use your notes. I really want you writing the notes to help you. And that's it. All right, miss you guys. Yeah. Bye.